The interesting video features an AI-generated clip showing overweight Americans assembling Tesla products, with the caption, "China continues to roast the U.S. with AI videos," highlighting a satirical critique of U.S. labor and economic conditions amid the U.S. China trade war. This post reflects a broader trend of China using AI-generated content to mock the U.S., as noted in a YouTube video, WebID 0, that gained over 6 million views, emphasizing the viral impact of such propaganda in the context of Trump's 2025 tariff policies. The video targets U.S. brands like Tesla, Apple, and Nike, mentioned in The Guardian WebID 1, as vulnerable to tariffs, suggesting China's narrative that American workers are unfit for manufacturing, a jab at U.S. economic struggles during a potential recession. Also the one depicting Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and JD Vance assembling Nike shoes in a factory, a satirical take on Trump's 2025 tariff policies aimed at bringing manufacturing back to the U.S. Trump's tariffs, announced in early 2025, target Asian countries like China and Vietnam, where Nike produces most of its shoes, leading to a potential 10 to 12% price hike for Nike products, per a BBC report. The American factory sign references a 2019 documentary about a Chinese company's factory in Ohio, highlighting tensions between U.S. and Chinese industrial practices, which won an Oscar in 2020. The post mocks the idea of high-profile figures doing manual labor, reflecting skepticism about the feasibility of Trump's tariff-driven push for domestic manufacturing, as many X replies question the economic impact and labor conditions. Nike's shares dropped 14% after the tariff announcement, signaling market fears over supply chain disruptions, as noted in the BBC article. The image aligns with a broader trend of AI-generated propaganda in 2025, often used to push partisan narratives, as reported by NPR, especially during politically charged events like the U.S. China trade war escalation.